Friends, today I'm going to show that how to reset Facebook settings. To reset Facebook settings, it's an easy process. So for this, first I'll go to the Facebook app. So open Facebook app. Then you have to tap on triple straight line on the menu in the down right corner. But if you use the Android phone, then you will find it at the top right corner, right? So I'm using the iPhone, that's why it's down. After that, you have to go on settings and privacy. This is the same options for the Android and iPhone. So go on settings and privacy. Then you have to go on settings. And my friends, if you find out here, literally you will not find any options to reset Facebook settings directly, right? So how you will be able to reset your Facebook settings? Friends, for this you have to do one thing. You have to go on settings of your iPhone, or you have to go to your Android phone settings. So first here I'll show you for the iPhone, then I'll show you for the Android, right? So go for the settings of iPhone, then you have to go on general, then you have to go on iPhone stories. And from here you have to find out the Facebook app. Just open the Facebook app, then you have to tap on offload app, again tap on offload app, right? After that you will be able to reset Facebook settings, and you have to install the Facebook app from the App Store, right? Now my friends, I'll talk about the Android phone if you use the Android, right? So also for this you have to go on settings of your Android phone, then you have to go on apps. After that you have to go on manage all applications, then you have to go on Facebook. After that you'll be able to find clear cache and clear data. Simply you have to clear cache and clear data, then you will be able to reset Facebook settings, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can reset Facebook settings. To reset Facebook settings, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.